So this is how you can close all apps at once on the Android phone. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can see that you might be getting inside the apps, come back, right, and just do that for multiple different apps and kind of like open them. So all of those are now running in the background, but at the bottom you can see we have the home button in the middle, we have the back button on the right, and we have this like 3 vertical lines button in the left portion. And if I click on this, it gives me the ability to see the recent apps, right? So I can swipe them up individually, right? But also below I have the button to close all, right? So it should always be there for most Android devices, and when you click it, all of the apps are going to be gone, no recently used apps. So that's obviously useful, but you also have the ability to decide for apps if they can be open in the background. So this is a little bit more advanced. Like, you have some apps which are only active when you get inside, but some apps can also run in the background without you having them open on the screen. It might be useful for apps like weather to constantly get the latest data and so on, but it might also drain the battery. So you can set it up and control it when you go to your settings app, and from the available apps right here, you can scroll through them as such, right? So let's say that I'm going to choose some of the app, like let's say it's going to be a social media app, and in here I can choose the data, battery, and storage. And if I click on battery, you can decide if it's optimized, unrestricted, or restricted. And if I choose it to be restricted, it means that it is not allowed to be used in the background. This is what I'm talking about. So me personally, for most apps, I like to keep it at restricted because I don't really want apps like Facebook to be active in the background. As I said, it might be useful for some apps, but definitely not for all of them. So that's up to you. That's how you can basically manage it on app by app basis, right? So you just go wherever you want and choose it for all of the apps. So as I said, that's a little bit of an advanced thing, but it's also like closing the app, right? So let me know if I helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.